Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to be diving into some really fun, bright, beautiful colors today, and we're going to create a textured rainbow style mani. We're going to incorporate brand new colors from Yogurt Nail Korea. This is the chewing gum collection. The packaging, just everything about this collection is absolutely so fun, and we're going to end up using all 10 of the colors today so you can really get a good feel on how these colors perform. You're going to be able to see them layered from one coat, two coat, three coats, so you can really see how diverse this collection really is. There's so many things you can do with it. Then we're going to be pulling in some really fun texture gel. Overall, it's going to be a really simple set today that's filled with color, and we're going to add some really effortless nail art. So what we're going to do today is we're going to pull in all 10 colors, and I figured we're just going to work our way through the collection by starting with the first two colors, which are the blues. These are the lightest ones in the collection. And don't let this one fool you right here. It's a very just perfect light baby blue color. It's giving me like those ocean water vibes. I feel like these are perfect for beachy nails, especially the first three colors in this one. It's very light, but once we build it up, it's just going to bring it to life. Again, that is the lightest one in the collection. And these are syrups and they're absolutely beautiful. They glide right onto the nail and they're not streaky or patchy or anything like that. It is a really fantastic formula. If you've ever tried any of the jelly polishes and you still had like that fogginess to them, these do not. These are actually really, really clear, beautiful syrups, and the color payoff is everything. So the best part about these is that you can layer them to create, like you're going to see here, we're going to be creating a little bit of an ombre effect. If you wanted to, you don't need to be as precise as we're applying the colors like you see here in a straight line. You could just tap the colors on and then they blend really nicely together. That is one thing that I noticed overall playing with all 10 of these colors is that they just seamlessly blend together really nicely. And I really like that you can build them up. So right here, I really like how this is looking. We have a beautiful ocean water moment going on here, but we're going to take it up and we're going to do three coats because I really wanted these to be super vibrant. Another thing that I noticed about these syrups is that even though we are layering the polish onto the nail, it is not creating any extra bulk. This is a very thin formula, which is absolutely perfect if you're making press-ons because the last thing you want to do is build up bulk on the nail. And I really like how thin but yet you're getting beautiful color and payoff and you're getting awesome coverage with this formula being so thin. It's definitely a game changer. And this is the first time I've ever played with the yogurt nail collection as itself. I did a little bit of a ocean kind of nail design with a few colors from this collection a few weeks ago, but this is the first time that I actually played with all the colors. And I'm really excited about this collection. If you are looking for syrups and you are looking for one collection, I feel like the chewing gum collection is definitely a good starting point because you have your primary colors. What I mean by that, you have like your blue, your red, you have a beautiful green in here, and I just feel like you can do a lot with that on its own. Plus, you have all these beautiful, vibrant colors with the pinks, and then you have the different shades of blues. You have, wait till you see the yellow. The yellow is absolutely beautiful. But this collection is definitely a great starting point because you have a lot of your staple colors, and you're going to be able to do a lot of this with nail art and layering like you see here. If you love fruit nails, this would be a great collection for fruit nails as well. But how beautiful is this purple and blue together? I know I got off on a tangent on how wonderful this collection is, but I'm pretty obsessed with it if you couldn't tell already. So I'm just layering the colors. I started with the blue first, then I went in with the purple and I cured for 30 seconds. And then I'm alternating. Instead of going back in with the blue first, I went back in with the purple. I just feel like if you alternate what colors that you go in with, it just gives you a better gradient effect. And this right here is absolutely beautiful. I just feel like that dark purple with this beautiful deep blue just goes so well together. And see, when even though we're layering the colors together, it is not creating a muddiness in the middle. It's not creating anything cloudy or mucky. It's just giving you that perfect clear syrup finish, which that is something that I love about this collection because I have tons of jellies and I don't feel like they're as clear as this. I always have like a slight fog in it. I can't get it to be crystal clear. I also feel like if you like stamping and you want to do a jelly polish over it, these would be a great alternative to get that crystal clear finish because you're going to see that image really shine through and it's going to be really clear and not mucky. All right, so here's what it looks like after we cured. This one so far is my favorite nail, but as we keep going on this journey here, you're going to notice that all these colors are absolutely beautiful together. Now that we did the 3 layers, I am going to seal the nail in right away with a layer of gel top coat from Doe, because once we get into the textured part of it, it is a non-wipe, so I do not need to go back in with a top coat because we're going to create some really fun texture, and that's how easy it is to create today's nail look. So we're just building up the color, and the best part about this is that you can create different color combinations. You don't have to do the entire rainbow today. I'm just doing that so you can really get a good feel on these gel polishes and see the different varieties and how you can pair them together. But you can pick different color combinations and still do that texture, and you're going to create a really awesome, easy nail look. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into the rest of these colors so you can see them in action, and then I'm going to pop back in just a few moments.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. But suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
All right, we're just finishing up the last nail here, and I did wipe off my brush before I stuck it back into the bottle since we were blending those colors together, just to make sure we're keeping these colors as pure as possible. And then we're going to do that last final top coat on the nail here and cure it for 60 seconds. Now we're gonna go in and create some really fun nail art. So here's what the set looks just like this. You could totally stop right here. This absolutely looks beautiful, but now we're gonna add a little bit of texture. These are really fun. This is from the brand Soozza, and we're gonna use the purple and the blue today. And I'm gonna use a ombre brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up some product here. I'm gonna pick up a generous amount. And the reason why I wanted to use an ombre brush versus like a flat, stiffer brush is I felt like with the ombre brush, I got a cooler kind of a linear design, and that's just preference, however you want it to look, but I really liked how it looked with the ombre brush. And then we're just going to create random designs on the nail. So this has a little bit of a pearly blue finish, and this is also a no wipe. So once you have that design on there, you just go ahead, and I just cured it for 60 seconds, and here's what it looks like cured. Now you have a really fun, easy nail art option, and you have that little bit of texture, which I think is so fun. And I really like the pearlness of it because it's kind of giving you like a beachy vibe. I feel like there's so many different things you can do with texture gels, and they're really fun to work with. Now the consistency feels kind of like a frosting, like if you open like a funfetti frosting, that's kind of what the consistency reminds me of, and it's really fun. And you can see here it looks really cool, just kind of that blue pearl really pops on that darker color. And now we're going to go in with the purple. So the best part about these gels, it's like the perfect timing for this video, because these texture gels sold out like within a day once they were released on Sweetie Nail Supplies, and they've been out of stock since. And guess what, they are back in stock as of yesterday. So it's kind of like perfect timing for this video. The price point is just right. They are $13, and you can get them in individual, or you can get the entire collection. I believe there's 6 of them in the collection, and they are this beautiful pearly finish. They're also limited edition as of right now. That's what it says on the website, but I hope they stay because these are awesome. All right, so this is what the purple looks like on top of this beautiful purple pink moment here. I feel like this would be great for summer and add some pearls or like a little seashell charm. Again, options are endless. My gears are turning with this. I feel like this is such a fun but yet simple set. And we're just going to finish up creating these designs. You can do whatever designs you want for this. I'm just kind of doing mismatched designs so we have something a little bit different on each of the nails. And this right here is kind of giving me like a tequila sunrise kind of moment here, but absolutely beautiful. I really love that purple pearl just shining through. And we're almost to that finish line. And we're going to go ahead and apply one more design on the pinky nail here. I'm going to go back in with the blue, and we're just going to go ahead and create a little design right at the tip of the nail, and then we're going to cure, and then we're going to be done. I'm not going to apply a top coat over this because it is a no wipe. If you want, you could always wipe it with a lint-free alcohol wipe, but that is how easy it is to create these really fun textured nails. Again, options are endless. You can do so many different designs. You don't necessarily need to utilize the bright bold colors like we did today and put a design over it. This would be really pretty with like a little bit of a bubblegum kind of softer pink moment. But here's the finished set. I do have the flash on so you can see all that pearl textureness kind of shine through. These are absolutely the perfect nails for summer, and I really loved how this turned out. So everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's simple nail look, and I'll see you all in the next one.